fuck's sake, another one! Read the road! Right, what's he doing? Oh, fuck. Twat. Yes. What a stupid bitch. What the f***?
It must be difficult for Liam to have any life boxes left to tick. But that certainly must have been one of them, right?
Get the doggy on the path, please. Doggy on the path, please.
Fucking hell. It's cold. What an idiot! Bloody hell! I'm going to send bloody him in. Hell! Overtaking. You're on camera! What a twat.
Breakfast Show.
Absolute Radio.
Did the story the other week that Noel Gallagher popped in reception to say thank you?
I did, yes.
We were playing one of his songs at the time.
Yeah, I heard.
Isn't it?
Crossing. There.
A bit of an overreaction, but it's definitely 1.5 meters. That's fine. I don't think there's anything that says you can't turn right there, but okay. Funny looking bus.
Manage your vehicle. Where's he going?
Both made the decision to go at the same time there.
How?
Did we forget to put our lights on? Faulty lights.
guy with the most amazing lane positioning.
Just give him some space.
I'm leaving anyway. Have we had a beer, sir?
Ooh, he nearly hit the curb. His road positioning is shocking. Just give him loads of space. He's going on the opposite side of the road and all sorts. We need stopping distance if he's gonna crash into something.
See, you should be on the road. You shouldn't be cycling on the pavement.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Edwards Lane. Then turn left onto
Slow junk.
That's a funny looking space, isn't it? Double yellows, couldn't be bothered to find a space. Oh, lovely, another one who can't be asked to find a parking space. What is that? That's not even a space either. 3 of the lazy bastards, honestly. Made a bit of pothole dodge there.
Despite the country that currently has.
Oh, that is a bad pothole. Jeez. That bit of road's given up on life.
Or was minded
Nothing
to,
heck.
was determined to detoxify the Conservative
Giant
Party,
pothole.
get rid of that.
That's pretty.
£20 in front.
But if you can have a Bentley, why would you want it to look like a camera wagon?
People like that shape, don't they? Because they're idiots. They don't understand elegance in design.
Well, this must be the smallest taxi ever. I mean, it's green in every sense of the word, but yes.
That I always get cut up on.
Classrooms full of children having school. If one
They've had to tape the back of that bus together. Yeah. That's a hazard.
You say that's not great.